What is ERC20? There are some standards for creating tokens in Ethereum. One is ERC20, another one is ERC721. I have created a tutorial series where I have explained everything about ERC721, which is a non-fungible token or NFT. I'll add a link of the video in the description of this video. Another standard is 1155. ERC20 is fungible, ERC721 is non-fungible. What is fungible means actually you can interchange a token with another token that is fungible. It is not unique. In contrast, non-fungible token is totally unique. If you click on this ERC20 token standards, here they say it, what is a token? Token can represent virtually anything in Ethereum. Any asset you can imagine can be represented as Ethereum token. Here they have given a few examples. Reputation points in an online platform can be a token. Skills of a character in a game can be a token. Like other things, all of them can be token. What I just said is written in here. If you want, you can read. An ERC20 token acts just like the ETH, meaning that one token is and will always be equal to all other tokens. Here are some prerequisites to create ERC20 tokens account. You need to have an account, a smart contract or token standards you need to follow. Okay, here are a few functions a ERC20 should have, and these are the events. In those methods you can see you can get back the name of the token, symbol, decimals, total supply, balance of transfer. All the functions make that standard for ERC20 tokens. Here they have given an example with Web3. For further reading, we can create ERC20 token with OpenZeppelin. Actually, we are going to do that. We are going to create ERC20 tokens with OpenZeppelin. This is ERC20 token. They already have written all those codes for us. We are just going to implement them. Before creating ERC20 token, let's take a look at the real life ERC20 tokens. If you go to this CoinMarketCap and search for link, you can find ERC20 token, that is Chainlink. And here you can find their website, white paper, social, contract address. If you just copy this contract address and go to etherscan.io, and from here just search for this address, you'll get the Chainlink. This is the contract, Chainlink token, link token, and in here you can see the contract. You can read all the contract. They are using ERC20 token, ERC20 basic. They have created it from scratch. We are not going to do that. Instead, we are going to use OpenZeppelin. Let me take a look at another example, that is ERC20 token Tether or USDT. This actually valuation of the dollar. One Tether is equal $1. You can change one Tether with another Tether. That is why it is ERC20 token. It is not unique at all. And from here you can just click on this Explorer. It will take us to SolScan. In here you can see the transaction and holders who are holding this, and analysis, market, metadata, etc. Moreover, if you want to learn more about it, you can just go to Etherscan. In here you can see token Tether USDT. We have contract, we can verify it. Here all the functionalities of ERC20 has been implemented. Enough talking, let's create a ERC20 tokens.